Coughing and sneezing etiquette. Cough etiquette is a series of action to take if you are coughing or sneezing, which are designed to reduce the spread of respiratory illness to others, such as influenza, whooping cough, PTB, and COVID-19. What to do? Do not cough or sneeze in the palm of your hands. Sneeze, blow your nose, or cough into a disposable tissue and discard the tissue immediately into a bin. If tissues are not available, cough or sneeze into upper arm of your sleeve. Avoid using your hands. Always wash your hands after coughing, sneezing, and blowing your nose. If you have a cold or a flu, visit your health facility or doctor as soon as possible. Wear your medical mask to protect yourself and others. Always wash your hands.